Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Screen Lock. Now scroll down, click on Face Unlock, and enter your current login method. Finally, you need to wait 5 seconds, read all of those disclaimers, and click on Next. Then keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Over here, select the best option for your notifications on locked screen. In my case, detect face to show all notifications, and click on Done. Then remember to select Turn On at the bottom right corner. So finally, when I switch off my screen, and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!